Okay, I'm going to run all problems 1 through 9 here. So do your problem, come back, check your answer. All right, got to remember, I'm going to go pretty fast here because it's going to be a long video otherwise. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, repeat it. This one, I know I have 129 of something. I'm making groups of 3. 3 will not go into 1, so I need to go to the next digit over. So now I'm thinking of how many 3's in 12. Sometimes people will put an X here to just say, oh, 3 doesn't go into 1. 3's into 12, that's 4. Multiply, 4 times 3 is 12. Subtract, get 0. Bring down my 9 and pair it with 0. Of course, that's 9. Start over. That can't be a remainder of 9 if I'm making groups of 3. How many groups of 3 in 9? There's 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And I end up with no remainder. I made 43 groups. All right, next one. I'll switch over my color here, make it green. 2 will not go into 1. I'm making 140. I got 148 or something. I'm making groups of 2. 2 will not go into 1. So now I think 2 into 14, that's 7. Multiply 2 times 4. Sorry, 2 times 7 is 14. Nothing there. Bring down my 8, pair it with 0. That can't be a remainder of 8 if I'm making groups of 2. So how many groups of 2? This is our divide step. 2 goes into 8 4 times. Multiply step, 4 times 2 is 8. Nothing left over. I made 74 groups. 366 is something, and I'm making groups of 6. Divide, 6 will not go into 3. 6 is in 36, that's 6. So there's my divide step. Multiply, 6 times 6, 36. Subtract step, nothing left. Bring down my 6. That can't be a remainder if I'm making groups of 6. How many groups of 6 can I make out of 6? That's the divide step. That's 1. Multiply 1 times 6. Get 6. No leftovers. You made 61 groups. I have 188 of something. I'm making groups of 2. 2 will not fit inside 1. So now I need to put the next 2 digits together. So 18. How many groups of 2 in 18? That's 9. Multiply, 9 times 2 is 18. Subtract and get nothing, but I haven't done anything with my 8, so I need to bring that down. How many 2's in 8? That's our divide step, that's 4. Multiply step, 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract step, nothing left. I made 94 groups of 2. 287 of something, I'm making groups of 7. I can't make a group of 7 out of 2, so I'm going to say nope. How many 7's in 28? That's 4. That's that divide step. Multiply, 7 times 4, 28. Subtract it, get nothing. Bring down our 7. Can't be a remainder because how many groups of 7 can I make it out of 7? That's 1. That's a divide step. 1 times 7, that's 7. That's our multiply step. Subtract it. Nothing left over. You made 41 groups of 7. All right. 328 is something. I need to make as many groups of 4 as I can. How many 4's will go into 3? That doesn't happen. So how many 4's in 32? Oh, that's 8. 8 times 4 is 32. That's our divide step. Sorry, multiply step. Subtract it. Bring down your 8. It can't be a remainder because if I'm making groups of 4, I could make 2 groups. That's that divide step. 2 times 4 is 8. Subtracting, there's nothing left. No numbers to bring down. I made 82 groups of 4. 105 of something, I'm making groups of 5. 5 won't fit inside 1. How many 5s in 10? Well, that's 2. Multiply step. 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract. Get 0. Bring down our 5. That can't be a remainder if I'm making groups of 5. So how many 5s will go into 5? 1 on my divide step. 1 times 5, 5. Subtract. Nothing left. You made 21 groups of 5. 279 is something, and I'm making groups of 3. I can't make a group of 3 out of 2. 3's in 27. 9. Put my 9 here. That's our divide step. 9 times 3 is 27. Subtract it. Get 0. Got to bring down my 9. Can't be a remainder. How many groups of 3 can I fit inside 9? It's 3. Multiply step is 3 times 3. That's 9. Nothing left. You made 93 groups. Hey, we're on our last one. We have 488 of something, and we're going to make some groups of 8. I can't make a group of 8 out of 4. How many groups of 8 in 48? 6. That's our divide step. Multiply. 6 times 8, that's 48. Subtract and get 0. I better move myself. Bring down my 8. How many 8s in 8? That's the divide step. 1. 1 times 8, 8. Subtract. Nothing left. You made 61 groups of 8. Thanks for hanging with me.